Hey guys, I just wanted to show you how we use our laser in store. We're using it to solder these two rings together. You can see my bench jeweler, she's finishing by tacking them together using the laser. It's kind of like a fun video game. Then what she needs to do is she needs to re-round the ring, make sure everything lines up, and then she cleans it. After that, she finishes with a little bit of soft solder on the outside to make sure that we can clean it up nice. The outside of the ring is much more important because we want it to almost look like the rings were not touched, kind of almost like they were made to be together. As you can see, she has to clean the ring again. Then we do a lot of beautiful little micro polishing work. You can see where she uses this small wheel to get everything loosely cleaned up. After she does this, we're gonna go to the big polisher and get all those big scratches out, make the ring look absolutely brand new. We have to clean it again, and then we're going to rhodium plate it after this because white gold is yellow gold mixed with silver, so it comes out an off-white color. And we use a cold electroplating process for the rhodium, which means there's less chemicals in the air and it does a heavier rhodium plate on the ring. Let me know what you think.